What's up, guys? This is Walter from Walter's Cars here. Today we're going to be taking the Q to the Infinity dealer because we're getting some weird squeaky noises. I'm not sure it's from the turbocharger or the actual timing chain or something like that, but because obviously this car doesn't have a timing belt. So we're going to basically see what the issue is with that. And this is also an update video of, the channel. I don't want to leave y'all without content, just let you know what's going on, for the future. So the plans are to get the race chip from Race Chip. The company's called Race Chip. That's specialized for the Q50 3.0 turbos, even the Red Sports. So that should give me stock right now. The crank is 400, so that should go up to 452 horsepower. So once that is installed, hopefully it's gonna make some good power and huge improvement in the 0 to 60. I heard that you can also improve in your wheel horsepower and a lot of few other stuff that sometimes like cold air intakes can't do. I heard that the chip can make the turbos louder in the car, so that would be a great thing, of course. It's gonna be a great thing because right now they're kind of quiet right now. Like when you step on the gas, you can't. I can't step right now because I'm in traffic, but right now you can kind of hear it, but it's really slight. You can't really hear it slightly. So unfortunately, that's what you can't hear. And other things are that what I do have planned for the car soon is the chrome delete. I'm turning off this AC. This is affecting my eyes. The other thing I have planned is the chrome delete. So yeah, we're gonna go and do that. I think the phone's shaking because the car's idling, but yeah. So that's gonna be what's planned. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on the highway here and do a little pulls, and we'll be at the dealership. That wasn't that good. That was in third gear, but it does the job. So, all right, let's go shift on the highway here. Yeah, that nice V6 roaming right there. So that was in manual. Let me put it in drive so the big difference really here. So I kind of feel like there's a delay, which why I saw you guys in the comments. You guys recommend that you should get a throttle commander. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably do that. Just go ahead and comment below to see what good throttle commanders are there for sale. Maybe on Amazon, I could probably look at it. I've been looking at some on Amazon, but they're like $400. So see if there's probably like a cheaper one out there. But yeah, I'm gonna go out and do that. So kind of what I was saying, like parts for the car, like probably getting pipes and stuff like that. That would probably kind of have to wait because parts have been going up a lot recently. Any car part really, like from downpipes to catback exhaust, any turbos, upgrades, or anything like that. That's why tuner shops are charging like $3,000 just for getting like a simple, like 50 horsepower tune maybe, or 100. I think it's just best to go with your standard route. Probably just get a simple cold air intake, a chip, and then so far make your own little build up and on. I raced the Mustang EcoBoost the other day. I'm probably going to be making a short out of that or a video. I'm going to go ahead and upload that. But other than this, this car stock is really good. It has a really good pull. It takes you to the back of the seat. It's not like it's obviously the fastest car for production of a sports car, but it's still fast. The 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. That's what I've done on the timer. But it's still really good. Alright, Alright, so I just went in personal mode, and this is kind of, let's do like a little 60 pull right here. I mean, I think that was pretty fast. I mean, it feels pretty fast. It took me to the back of the seat. So, you know, that's how you kind of know it's like pretty good performance. You know. So here in Infinity, they're going to go and check out the car. It's one last look at the car. For now, and yeah, thank you guys for watching for this update video, and hopefully they get the problem solved soon. And yeah, peace out. Hopefully you watch more of my videos, and this is Walter's Car signing out.